Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve not opening on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.